I do want to talk about real quick. I want to go back and talk about so people understand who house hacking is for. So primarily, it's for people who are just getting started and those who are already successful and want to scale their toolkit and help the next generation of real estate investors continue to find new ways they can start creating long-term wealth build. And the elephant in the room, if you haven't bought a deal yet, you might be thinking that you can't get started with this because you're not ready to buy your first property. You don't have the systems in place to scale your investing business yet. But here's why that's a mistake, and it can hold you back from success. Winning in real estate comes from making informed decisions, planning your next step, and as scary as it sounds, taking action even when you don't feel ready yet. That is what separates people who talk about making money in real estate and those who actually transform their lives and build wealth. I was a graduating college student, closed this property the morning of my 22nd birthday, saving money wherever I could, working for property management companies and Airbnb investors, saving absolutely all the money I could, learning everything I could, asking questions, and I didn't feel ready. I remember having almost a nervous attack a couple of days before, like, what am I doing? I'm going to buy without ever having been to this property. All I've done is market research. Granted, I've been trying it out with other properties and it's working really well, but how do I know this is the right step for me? No one else in my family has ever done this. And you have those moments, but it's that taking of action, trusting in the data, trusting in the experiences of those dozens of people that you can speak to who've done this very thing, that helps you get over those feelings of I'm not ready yet and gets you into the greener pastures of I'm going to do it anyways. The only wrong action you can take when it comes to real estate investing or getting started with the house hack is no action. Because it can truly be one property away from never having to make another mortgage payment in your life if you don't want to. One property generating $2,400 a month in cash flow, that's a lot of people's, that's half, if not 70% of a lot of people's take-home pay. If you could do that once, wait 2 years,
so you could move to like Central or South America and live forever like a king. Yeah,
exactly. It doesn't take that many properties, guys, especially when you're using, I'm going to harp this in, especially when you're using market research alongside it. So I have to ask, what would creating long-lasting wealth be worth to you? Is living rent-free or mortgage-free with thousands of dollars back in your pocket, how does that make you feel?